Infrastructure Minister Dean MacPherson has just completed the next leg of the expanded public works program listening tour in KwaZulu-Natal. Now, those affected had the opportunity to raise their concerns about the project. Newzroom Afrika Silethiwe Ndlovu was there and she joins us now live. Silethiwe, what are some of the key concerns that were raised by EPWP candidates and community members during this engagement?
There were quite a few concerns, Naledi, that were raised by EPWP candidates and community members. In fact, we found that some of the concerns that were raised during the first leg of the tour were also raised during the tour that we saw earlier on today. You will remember that in the Eastern Cape, it was stated by a number of people that they are concerned about how some of those appointments are made. Some people also saying that, they don't like the fact that this particular program is a short-term program, while other people also mentioned that when other candidates get into this particular program, they actually don't want to leave the program, which then becomes a problem for other people that should be entering into this program. Earlier on today, we heard a number of people raise their concerns here in KZN regarding some of the issues that they are facing here. Particularly, you're looking at the salary that is, given to these EPW candidates. And some people, they were mentioning the fact that these salaries that they get don't even cover some of their basic needs. We also heard from a number of people that mentioned that they would like to see this particular program become something that is long-term as opposed to short-term. Other people also spoke about the fact that they actually don't even have uniform to perform some of the tasks that they should be performing. So you're looking at masks, boots, gloves, and PPEs. A number of people also mentioning the fact that they do work overtime, and unfortunately they don't get paid for that overtime that they do work. While also a number of candidates mentioned that they would like to see a transparency in terms of how other people are hired in this particular program. You will remember that there's been a number of corruption allegations that have been leveled against this particular program. However, we did hear from the Minister of Public Works and Infrastructure, Dean MacPherson, who did mention that they are trying to reform this particular program, and that is something that they are looking into doing in the next couple of months. Let's have a listen to what he had to say about some of the reforms that they are currently working on.
Skills and being able to learn new tools of trade is really, really important. And so we want to invest heavily into that people come out better than what they entered into, and that they have some form of a certificate, that there is a skill that they've gained, that they can then take that into the private sector. Also, what we've identified is the opportunity to bring into the private sector, into this program, to leverage the 2.2 billion rand that we put into EPWP so we can get more opportunity, and that we can put individuals in construction sites, in businesses, and that they're not just simply picking up rubbish or cutting grass, but they are gaining new skills.
And that, of course, was the Infrastructure Minister Dean MacPherson speaking on the EPWP program in KwaZulu-Natal. Silethiwe and Ndlovu keeping us updated on that one throughout the day. We do appreciate your time, Silethiwe. Thank you so much for giving us an update.